Hello everyone. Today in this video we will know how to calculate the bar bending schedule of T column. So here you can see the T section and the dimensions are as follows. So here you can see the distance from here to here is 0.6 and the width here you can see is 0.2 meters and the distance from here to here is 0.2 and this is also 0.2 and this is 0.3 and this from here to here is 0.2. So if we think the clear cover which we have provided from here to here and this clear cover is 25 mm. So by removing this 25 mm clear cover, the inner T section, the dimensions are as follows. So for example here you can see it is provided as 0.6. So we are removing 25 mm clear cover both sides. So we will get 0.55. So after removing clear cover, the inner T section dimensions are as follows. So again now we are removing this or dividing this T section into two parts, which is this part as one rectangle and this is another part of T section. So if you think this as one section of T and this is another section, this is as part 1 and this is a part 2 if we consider. So the dimensions are as follows. So the reinforcement as provided here, you can see how we have provided. There is one bend, here also another bend. So if you think the dia of steel which we have used is 8 mm and the steel spacing we have provided is 100 mm center to center spacing and the depth is that, so depth or height is nothing but section T section height which is 2250 mm. So firstly we will find for cutting length. So the formula to find the cutting length is length plus 18D or 9D plus 9D. So for two sections we are doing, so for one section this and another section this. So for two sections the formula was there. So L is nothing but length of total rectangle. So what is the length of the total? So here you can see 0.45 plus 0.15 plus 0.45 plus 0.15 plus 9D plus 9D. So which we can write as 18D or 9D. So 9D, 9 into D. So here it is 8 mm and here we have done calculation in meters. So we are converting to meters, that is 0.008 plus 9 into 0.008 plus here you can see for another portions the length is that 0.55 plus 0.15 plus 0.55 plus 0.15 plus 9 into again 0.008 plus 9 into 0.008 which 8, this is dia of the steel. So after calculating this we will get 1.344 plus 1.554 which is 2.88 meters. This is the cutting length of one stirrup. So here we got cutting length of one stirrup. So now we will find how many stirrups are required for this height. So and the dimensions of a T sections. So number of stirrups equals to formula is the total height by spacing plus 1. So the total height is the 2250 mm by 100. Here you can see the spacing given is 100 mm. So divided by 100 plus 1 where we will get 23.5 which is 24 numbers. So to find the unit weight, the formula is that D squared by 162.2. So dia is that 8. So 8 squared by 162.2 where we will get 0.394 kg per meter. So how many kgs are required for preparation of this bar bending schedule we have to find. So the total usage of stirrups in kgs. So stirrups we got 24 numbers. So 24 numbers is and one stirrup length is the 2.88 mm. So the formula is that cutting length into number of stirrups into unit weight. Then we will get the total usage of stirrups in kgs. So the weight we will get. So 2.88 into 24 into 0.394. So that we will get 27.23 kgs of steel are used for these dimensions of a T section. So if you all like this video, please follow, like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you all.